Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie, and this is my little Violet. She's my little sidekick, and we do all kinds of different things. We do unboxings, unbaggings, and stitch fix and try-ons and that kind of stuff. Just a little bit of everything. I do some vlogging about things that are going on in my life. Right now I've been vlogging about I quit smoking. And it has been, I'm trying to think here, it has been almost 3 weeks. Yeah, tomorrow will be 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm doing really, really well with that. So that's not what we're here today though for. So if you're new, before you leave, if you like the video and you like that kind of stuff, I would appreciate it if you would click the subscribe button and become part of our family here. And also click the notification bell and click all. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I've been trying to, I'm not like on a set schedule about uploading. Like a few times a week is what I've been shooting for recently. It gets a little overwhelming trying to do it every single day, and I do work full time. So this is just something I do on the side. And today we are doing Ipsy regular. Okay. I really have been pausing my Ipsys. I am subscribed to Ipsy, the regular bag, and Glam Bag Plus. I'm not even going to try the ultimate. I seen last month when it was coming out and everything. I just can't afford $50 a month for that. So yeah, I'm sticking with what I can afford. And a lot of times I just watch the spoilers and see if I want these before I get charged for them. And then if I don't, I like skip a month or I pause it, you know. So right now my Ultimate Plus is paused for a few months. I don't think I'm gonna do that one until January. But I'm going to keep my eye on the spoilers. And if I like what's going to be coming up, then I might go ahead and let it come through. And this one, this little guy, I thought I had paused it for this month, and I evidently didn't. So it came through by accident. But I'm kind of glad it did because it was good. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a online subscription, makeup, skincare, online subscription bags. This one is the regular. This is $12 a month. This is the Ipsy Glam bag, and it is $12 a month. It was $10. It just went up. It's $12 a month, and you get like about five sample sized products in this sample to deluxe sample. And then they have the Ipsy Plus. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And that one is $25 a month. And that has full-size products, 5 to 7 full-size products. And now they have the Ultimate and the Ipsy Ultimate, which is $50 a month. And it's like, I don't know how many, I think it's 8 regular size, full-size products and 4 samples, I think. Something like that. So yeah, there's a lot of different ones you can choose from. So I got 2, and the nice thing about the Ipsy is that you can pause it, you can skip a month, those kind of things you can do without like having to actually go in and cancel it. Then you can watch spoilers and see, oh, I want that. So then you can go back in and reinstate it for that month and so forth. So anyway, before this gets too long, let's get into it. I've already been into this. I like their new bags. The new bags are really cute. And this is the bag for November. I don't know if it's cheetah print. I guess it's cheetah. Okay. It's cute. Nothing spectacular. It's cute. I mean, nothing major. I guess it matches me. I matched today. Okay. So let's get into this, folks. All right. Let me see what I got first here. Okay, I got the La Cloris Urban Botanics Ultra Glow Moroccan Rose Mask, which I love rose masks because they really leave my skin super soft and supple. Love them. I still have one that I think I got from my Ipsy from Fresh that I've still been dipping into and using. Okay, so this is a smart skincare backed by science. The multitasking face mask smells just like fresh roses, and it's made with pink clay, aloe, and algae to heal, strengthen, and protect your skin while naturally calming inflammation and redness. Apply a generous amount or a generous even layer to your face and neck. Allow the mask to dry for about 15 minutes. Rinse well with warm water, wash off in circular motion to exfoliate your skin. Oh, so it exfoliates too. So yeah, that I'm really looking forward to doing. Mask with me on Monday. If you're new here, I do Mask with me on Monday every Monday. Yeah, that's probably going to be one coming up. Awesome. All right, next item is from Nomad. And I don't think I filmed it. No, I didn't film it. I got the ultimate, I think it's September, and I got the Nomad palette, and it was like a 15-pound palette. And I really like it. It's kind of a cool palette. And I probably need to do like a review type thing on that for you guys too. But today I got the Nomad, it's by Nomad Cosmetics, Sydney Bather's Kiss of Sun Bronzer and Contour Powder in Manly Beach. Nomad Cosmetics highlights the beauty and character of vibrant global destinations, inspired by Surfer's Paradise in Sydney, Australia. This rich matte chocolate shade can be used to bronze or contour, plus it blends on smoothly and evenly. So I did use this, okay? But I have had it on. I did use it and put it on last night, and I worked all night, and it's now like 11:30. I've been doing some things around the house. I had to get my Stitch Fix back. I had to get that checked out. I had to pay some bills, and I had to take care of my girl hair. So yeah, I've been active and doing a lot of different things, plus working all night. So I think it held up pretty good, though. I think it looks pretty decent. And I liked it. When I put it on, I was like, oh, I really like this bronzer. I really loved the color of it. And this is what it looks like. Getting a little glare there. Okay, and then that's the color. Yeah, it's got a nice M on it, N on it for Nomad. You guys can see it. But yeah, I really liked it. I thought it really looked nice with my it really matched my skin tone really nice. I really did. I liked it. And I just, I needed some bronzers. I only have one that I've been using. I got that from my last Ipsy bag that I got, I think in September too. I think I got both of them in September because I forgot and they came through. And I was like, I forgot. I forgot to cancel them. But anyway, so yeah, this is a really good product. I did like this so far. So far. First impressions, love it. Little Miss Violet, you need to sit down. You need to sit down. Okay, and then I got, it's by Dome Beauty. It is a Cheek Envy Pressed Powder Blush in English Rose. Dome Beauty develops quality products made with clean ingredients for all genders, ages, and skin tones. This rosy pink pressed powder blush is long-lasting, builds easily from subtle to bold, and adds a pretty flush to every complexion. Plus, it blends out smoothly and evenly. Tip for pop of color, apply on the apples of the cheeks for a more subtle look. Blend on the top of the cheeks. So, that's what I've got on right now. I think it's held up pretty good for the night. My skin is oily at times, and sometimes I'm sweating at night. And last time my skin was pretty much, I could feel the oils coming through. And today I kind of see some of the oils coming through too. So let me get this out. These are good size samples too, so I was really pleased with that. If I can get this one out. Okay, there it goes. I mean, blushes last forever, and so does bronzers. You can use, I mean, you don't really need those great big ones, you know. Okay, and that's what it looks like. And it's a really pretty color. And when I first put it on, I was like, wow, I really like this with the bronzer together. Really, really liked it. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. I know it's probably worn off quite a bit, but yeah, I liked it. I really liked it. So far, you know, first impressions, you know, I can change my mind in a week down the road and all that. So we'll see. Okay, and then I also received MAC Cleanse Off Oil. It is sometimes removing your makeup feels about as good as wearing it. Made by iconic beauty brand MAC, this gentle oil cleanser gets rid of your most stubborn makeup, and it's made with vitamin E. Ooh. Olive fruit, jojoba seed, and primrose oil to hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. Tip: pour a quarter-size amount of cleansing oil on the palm of your hand and massage it all over your face when it's dry to loosen up makeup. Rinse or wipe with a damp washcloth. I've never used a cleansing oil before, and I don't think I've ever had a MAC product. And in fact, I just got a coupon from Ulta that I need to go out there because I think it's a MAC. I get like for my birthday, they sent it to me for my birthday, which is coming up, for a MAC little mini lipstick. So I'm really need to get it, and it's free, so I need to get out there and get it. But yeah, so this is like my first MAC product and my first oil product, actually. So I have not used this yet. I'm going to use it here in a little bit when I go to cleanse my face and see how I like it. So I'm going to be doing some follow-up videos on these boxes and stuff to let you guys know, you know, I'm telling you now what my first impressions are, but I'm also wanting to let you know what my final impressions are, too, after I've used the items for a little while. So, yeah. So the next item I got was a brush. Yay! I think last month, was it October, I got the whole set, the whole 5-piece set from BoxyCharm. The Royal, this is the same brushes. And this month I got this one. It's a Royal Land Nickel Moda Pro Glow Brush, which I needed a glow brush. Yes, you can play favorites. This hard-working brush precisely highlights set under eyes and blends out harsh edges, making it much loved at Ipsy HQ. With silk touch and waterproof handles and a luxe synthetic fiber blend, you'll be able to glow like the pros. Tip: the tiny yet mighty tapered tip is perfect for getting into hard-to-reach areas like under the eyes or around the nose. So I was really I've been really having a hard time with highlighters, and I didn't have a brush. I think that was my problem. I didn't have a correct brush. So when I got this, I'm like, that's what I want it for. I'm going to use it for my highlight brush. So I used the Laura Geller I got in my BoxyCharm a few months back, and I used that on my face. And I really can see it. It went on really nice. And it looked better earlier. And it looked so tired. And it did look really nice earlier. But can you see the little glow there that I've got there? And I liked it because it's not like, it wasn't like bam in your face. But this really helped a lot. So I've got it. I know how to highlight. Yay! Yay! It's all because of this brush. Yay! Sorry guys. I have going on no sleep. So that is my Ipsy this month. And I'm happy. I really am happy with the products. Love the brush. I always love this brush. And these are good brushes. They really are. And I really like the fact that it matches my set that I got from BoxyCharm. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm anxious to try a MAC product and an oil product too. I want to see how well that does take my makeup off and what it does for my skin. So I'm anxious to try that. And then the mask. These little guys last a while. I'm telling you, I think I got the other rose mask, the fresh one, I got a long time ago in my Ipsy, and I'm still using it, and it's still, it's still going strong, and it's a really good product. And then the Nomad bronzer, which I'm not mad at. I really love that. Love the tone of it, the color of it. Yeah, absolutely like that. And then the Dome Beauty Cheek Envy, the blush. Love that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 products. I'm not mad at any of it. And the blush and the foundation, that's going to last a while because, you know, they last forever. So even though they're smaller, hey, that's great. And they're nice, you know, just to pop in your bag and go. And that's wonderful. So I really am really happy. And the bag was cute too. So yeah, I'm happy with this month, even though I really wasn't going to get it. And I really didn't watch any spoilers on it this month. But yeah, I'm happy with it. And so let me know if you guys got Ipsy Glam bag and if you were happy with what you got. I know there was a lot of, you know, people not happy with the Ultimate last month. And I've seen a couple of people getting them this month and that they're much more satisfied. So I'm glad that that's working out for some people, because that is, you know, it can be disheartening when you get things you don't really want and you don't feel like the box was worth it. And that was one thing I was really shocked about. I really thought, you know, it being a new box, it would be like, bam, really great. Just like, Ultimate, when they came out, not Ultimate, the Plus, when they came out with Glam Bag Plus, man, the first couple months I was seeing all these wonderful products these people were getting. I'm like, wow. So I really did kind of want to get into doing the Ultimate, even though it was $50 a month. And, but now I'm kind of glad that I held off on that and didn't. And like I said, I really thought it over, and this is something I can't afford at this point in time. So let me know what you guys get. Do you get the regular bag? Oops, my shipping. Do you get the regular bag? Do you get Ipsy Plus? Or do you get Ultimate? Or do you get all of them? So let me know down below and what your thoughts and comments are. And give me your thoughts on the products that are in here and the products that I used today that you can see on my face. My eyeshadow is from what my BoxyCharm palette was, which was by Dominique Cosmetics. I can't remember the color. And it's just, well, I have just one color on all over. And then right at the very lids where I put eyeliner, at the lash line, I put another color right in there, and I put a couple colors underneath. But I really am liking this. I've been wearing this all week, and I've worn it all night. And I did put a primer on it, and I wore it all night, and I really like it. I like it. It's easy to throw on, and it's wonderful. It's really good. And then my lip color is a brand new Milani lipstick that I got. It is, now I'm going to think, I can't remember the color. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't remember the color. It's not Rose Femme. It was between Rose Femme and this one. Oh my gosh, why can I not think of it? That makes me so mad. I cannot think anymore. And I don't know if it's because I'm going through all these withdrawals and stuff with the nicotine or what. Oh, Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear, that's the color. And I've been really getting into these Milani lipsticks. And I might have to do a video on them because I think I got 4 different shades now. And there's more that I want to get. So I've been trying to, you know, every paycheck, I've been buying 1 or 2 here and there. So I'm going to let you guys go. You guys have a wonderful day. Yeah, you have a great day. There's not much more I have to say. So next video, I don't know what's coming up, but you guys stay tuned and make sure you're still subscribed and make sure you got your notification bell on all because you don't want to miss out on anything because you just never know what's going to happen here. So you guys take care and I love you guys. Bye-bye.